So YouTubers, welcome to Thursday. It's Thursday, Annie. Thursday, yeah. And we have the answer to brain teaser from Wednesday. Right, shall we tell them the answer? Yeah, okay. Right, what is the most times a pancake has been tossed in 1 minute? What is the most times a pancake has been tossed in 1 minute? Do you know the answer? Yeah, you do. How many? 140. 140 times? Really? Yeah. Oh, really? Right, this was done by an Australian called Brad Jolly. Actually, in the video that you saw, that was the man, Brad Jolly, and that's how he made the record, by just flipping with his wrist 140 times. Right, today, Thursday, got a new brain teaser, haven't we? Hey? Yeah. Right. Right. What age is the oldest living wild bird in the world? And do you know, Annie? Do you know? Yeah. Stay there. It's alright. Stay there. She knows. Please. Actually, the name of the bird, I'll tell you the name of the bird, is called Wisdom, and it's a Laysan albatross. Okay, so the bird is called Wisdom, still alive, and the breed of the bird is a Laysan albatross, and believe it or not, it's still laying eggs to this day. But you got to tell me, how old is this particular bird? Okay, and we have a video. Sorry? A video, yes, we have a video, and it's only about 2 minutes, if that, 1.5, 2 minutes, no, less than that, about 1.5 minutes. So see you back in about 1.5 minutes, yeah? Yeah. Okay. We're back Annie. We're back with your answers. Now, I can give you one winner from the how many pancakes did this gentleman toss in a minute, and the winner is Sharon Carlisle, and she said 108. I know she's not correct as in the correct answer, but she's the nearest. Well done to Sharon for being the nearest. Right, Top Dog X, who is Selena. Yeah, Selena. Top Dog X is said 75 times that he tossed that pancake. Leah X, she said 67 times. Lisa Barker, it's Lisa, yeah, she said 60 times. Funko Freddy and Cole, he went a little bit lower and he said 46 times. But Jimmy Digital went even higher. A new world record. He must have tried it himself. 230 times. Well done to Jimmy if he's tried it. Right. Gary Biker, he said 89 times. Gary. Yeah. And last but not least, well, Billy B from Australia, and he came in with 50 times. So well done to all those people who's actually taken part. Now the music to the new brain teaser about the bird, how old is the longest living bird, is called Bluebird by E's Jammy Jams. Jammy Jam. That's the music you're going to enjoy listening to when you watch the video. Right, as many of you know, I did a video about Burnley, didn't we? Yeah, not Annie, she didn't do it. So excuse me, got a frog in my throat. We lost 2-0 to Leicester at Burnley. Right, but I've got the video out so you can look at that as well. Okay, give me your comments and we'll let you have a look at this video, and then you can give me the answer tomorrow morning, which will be Friday. Friday, yeah, back to Friday again. How quick these weeks go. So it's Friday when I give you the answer to the brain teaser about the longest living age of the albatross, and his name is, I've forgotten the name now, Wisdom. That's it, Wisdom. Okay, don't cheat, don't have a look, just have a guess how old Wisdom is at the present time. Okay, all the very best, and bye bye from and bye bye from me. All the best. Bye-bye.